There we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. That's a nice snook. There we go. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yes. All right, this is a good fish. Staying down. Oh, I guess I've got a nice red on right here. I got, what do we got on this one? We got 30-pound braid, and I have a, I knew I couldn't resist that paddle tail, 30-pound leader, and then a big white paddle tail. Oh, this is gonna be a nice fish. I'm guessing 35 plus red. Loving it. Good day. Good way to start the day. Good way to start the day here. And this is on a 4-foot rod, believe it or not. Little 4-foot rod. That's Alright guys, what's happening? Welcome to the channel, Dustin Lee Outdoors. We are gonna do some fishing today. Out in the canal. There's mullet jumping all over the place. Crazy. But we're gonna scoop some of those up with the cast net. Look at this. Everywhere. Anyways, we're gonna see if we can get into some big redfish. We've been having some good luck there. Maybe get lucky, get a snook or two. You know, kind of same old. Whatever's biting, we'll kind of go for it, and then we get in some jacks. Might do some drops or some sharks. So that's the game plan for today. Stay tuned and let's go fishing. I don't know about that. Oh yeah. We got a couple. Shoot. Sucks for that guy. That should be pretty good. That should be a good time. Oh ho 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 ho. Yeah. Shoot, my phone all wet. That'll work. money throw. All right, we're set. Ooh, ooh. They're trying. There we go. Doesn't feel huge. What is it? Little jack. All right. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Should we get some fun with this thing? I think so. I think so. Why not? Why not toss this guy down? As we work towards the bridge here, we can soak this. Let's soak this big old juicy jack and see if we can get ourselves into a nice bowl. Why not? Why not? So we got 65-pound braid on this bad boy. Let's see how long this guy lasts. 65-pound braid on this rig. Ooh. Okay, drag is crazy loose. But anyway, 65-pound braid, and then we got a 90-pound leader, steel leader on there. Ooh. All right, so let's give this a go. Alright, we had no luck with the jack and it ended up popping off. I got that barb on the hook smashed down and yeah, it ended up just popping off after a while. So I'm gonna chuck this paddle tail down here and see if we can get anything alongside this wall here. I think we should be in a pretty good spot here. Ooh, lots of marks right below me. Lots of marks. I just want a few big ones. Okay, right in fish. Oh, lots of them. And on the bottom. Tons. Ooh, just got bumped. Come on. Big marks. Oh, come on. Nobody's hungry? All right, come on. Tons of marks right below me. I got some high, kind of the whole column is full. Oh, come on, man. No takers. Gotta be in them. Oop. There we go. There we go. That didn't take long. Alright, this is a good fish. Staying down. Oh. I guess I've got a nice red on right here. I got, what do we got on this one? We got 30-pound braid, and I have a, I knew I couldn't resist that paddle tail, 30-pound leader, and then a big white paddle tail. Oh, this is gonna be a nice fish. I'm guessing 35 plus red. Loving it. Good day. Good way to start the day. Good way to start the day here. And this is on a 4-foot rod, believe it or not. Little 4-foot rod that I had made specifically for kayak fishing. Oh, come on, baby. I was wondering what was taking those fish so long. There was a massive school down there. Nice sized fish. This one finally took it. Get my grippers ready. Okay. Oh shoot. Come on. I don't want that. See if we can get it. Oh, okay. Ooh, I think we're getting close. I think we're getting close. There he is. There he is. Giant red. Ah, yeah. That thing's swallowed that down. Oh, yeah, look at that. We'll take it. We will take it. Oh. Got the hook out. Wow, this might be my biggest. This might be my biggest here. This is giant redfish. That's, hang on. Yeah, it's well over 40. Let me see if I can move this. That's close to 45 inches. Close to 45 inches. We got them up pretty quick too, which is good. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh. Get this up. Look at that thing. It is just a beast. I can't even get the whole thing on the camera. Absolute giant. Let me see if I can get it. I gotta get my this is like almost impossible to do this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Massive fish. All right, I'm gonna get him back in. Not messing around. let's get this guy back in. That's a monster fish. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh. Half the size of the kayak. Okay, come on, buddy. I'm gonna get a good revive on him. Oh, haha. Heck yeah. Alright, I'll make sure the thing got off good. Oh, it did not. There it goes. Whew, on the board. Well, I might as well go home. Probably not gonna top that. Probably not gonna top that. Almost little, and you know, this was like a 4'6" rod, but and a busted paddle tail. But I had broke the tip off, so I put a new tip on, and yeah. I'll take that. All right, let's go get another one. Okay. Oop. We're on. There we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. That's a nice snook. There we go. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yes. Oh, got off. That was awesome. That was awesome. Thank you, Mr. Mullet. You did your job well. There we go. Let's do that again. That thing hit almost instantly. All right, who's up next? All right, I just spotted some giant snook over here. Oh, oh boy. Awful cast. I got the baby. Back up out of here. I got the baby snook. Just a little guy. These things are so sharp. Nice little fella. Ooh, come on, dude. Come on, dude. Enough of that. Nice little snook. Cool. Something that's got crushed over there. Alright, well that is going to be a wrap for today's video. It is smoking hot out here. Water's 87 degrees right now. I don't know, it's probably 80, 95 degree air temp currently, but awesome day on the water. Hooked up with that 45-inch red. I would have to say, safe to say, that's my biggest red to date. That was pretty sweet bringing that thing in. Had a nice snook on, but that thing popped off right at the edge there. I'm guessing that was right around 30 inches or so. That was a nice looking snook. Got a handful of snapper, and then a variety of junk fish as well. So overall, pretty good day on the water. I cannot complain. After catching that red, I was kind of like, ugh, the day cannot get better than this. So I kind of peaked early, but that's fine by me. So I'm just kind of making my way back to the ramp. I got a mullet drifting behind me. See if I get lucky and something sucks that in. I've had luck doing that before, as I just kind of slowly roll back in. Let that sit behind me, and sometimes I get some trout to come suck that in. So, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one.